Open your mouth.
Okay.
Alright, so yes, you guys, it's your boy Robin, and here again I am with
Luca.
Noemi.
Naomi, good. And so, Luca, tell us, well, we all know Luca, so Naomi is Luca's sister, so tell us something about yourself.
I'm a student in English.
Alright, great. So for today, guys, we'll be having a challenge, and it's called What's in My Mouth. So, be that they're brothers and sisters, they'll be trying to see if they can guess what's in each other's mouth, or they'll be trying to feed each other something while being blindfolded. Only 5. You will have 5 seconds to guess. Okay? 5 seconds. What's that? What's that?
Lemon.
Is lemon?
Lemon.
Yeah, it's lemon juice. Yeah, so it's easy. So let's switch. That's one.
Open your mouth.
This is one.
Soja. No. How do you say soja?
Soy.
Soy sauce.
Soy sauce. Okay, that's soy sauce. Okay, you're right. You're right. Oh, that's easy. That's easy. It's round 1. So it's a tie so far. 1 for Luca and 1 for Naomi. Let's move on to round 2.
Open your mouth.
So what's that?
Carrot.
Yes. Oh yeah. That's just too easy. All right. So the loser will have to taste Tabasco sauce.
Open.
What's that? It's a croissant. It's a croissant.
Just eat.
What's that? Five seconds. Do you know what it is?
I don't know how to say it in English. Like herbs. No.
Chilies.
It's her chilies.
Chilies.
Okay, chilies. Okay, that's good.
What's that?
Chilies, like a leaf.
Oh. So herbs.
Yeah. Alright, so that was pretty interesting. So this is round 3. We'll spice things up a little bit. Ready, Luca?
Everyone likes it.
Everyone likes it. Bro. Yes. Alright, good. So basically, that was a tie. So we need a tiebreaker.
What's tiebreaker?
Tiebreaker is if both players have the same points, you do something where you have a winner. Where you decide. Yeah, but you want someone to win, so we need a tiebreaker. No, you guess.
He won.
He won.
I won.
Yes.
Oh yeah,
Sure,
yes.
I won.
Oh, so you have to taste Tabasco.
Oh.
Taboo.
Okay.
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 Hola.
I'm fine.
Oh, lovely. It's good. It's good. Yes.
I'm okay.
Alright, good. So I will join you. So that's it for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed, don't forget to give it a big
Thumbs up.
thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, tap the notification bell, all the videos when we make an upload. So I look forward to seeing you guys next time. Ciao, ciao.
Ciao.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you.